so we're now back here at Nhat Airport, but the domestic airport. We are going to Da Nang. We're done in bag drop area and as well as the security. Just be mindful that you have to remove everything that you are wearing once you go through the security, because they're really going to check whatever's inside. Separate laptops, watches, everything. It needs to be out of your bag on a separate tray, and of course you have to remove your shoes as well. Now we're just already here. We're going to wait for our flight later this afternoon, so just in case, I'll keep you tuned as to how we are going to go to Da Nang and then what other things is going to happen.
Welcome to Da Nang International Airport. It's now 5 p.m. local time. The outside temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. For your safety, please leave your seatbelt fastened until the airport has notified stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off.
We just landed here at Da Nang International Airport. Thank you.
Bye-bye. See you.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. So we just have to be a bit careful. Once we deplaned, we are going to be transported by bus. So this is the same way as it was on the other airport in Daytona. As you can see, my husband was able to bring his Martin backpacker guitar at our flight. But if you would notice, there's actually a tag on his bag. Sorry, that's my husband. Yeah, there's a tag on his bag. Just as precaution that it can be put inside the cabin of a domestic flight of Vietnam Airlines. So that's what it looks like. So it is possible. Now, of course, since we flew from Ho Chi Minh City, we're not going to pass through the immigration here because it is a domestic flight, of course. But just do be mindful, they are quite strict in terms of security in Tanzania. When you go through domestic, they might even request you to, of course, remove your shoes and all that, as I've mentioned earlier. And a couple of more X-ray machines that you have to pass through. Now, the airport is quite straightforward, pretty much the same as Tanzania, but of course not as crowded. So we'll just try to find where our bags are. Hi guys, okay, so back to the vlog. Just to wrap this up, we are now here at Da Nang International Airport. We already got our bags and baggage claim, and it was a quick flight, just about an hour. Experience with Vietnam Airlines, it was actually quite good. The seats were quite wide. Still a bit of leg room, but the seats are quite comfortable. So that's the thing that I really liked. And first time flying domestic through Vietnam Airlines, and I enjoyed it. So let's see through the rest of the trip, since we would be going to other places other than Da Nang. And so it's bye for now. for this video, and we'll just have our pickup outside to go to the hotel. Have a good day, guys. Bye.